What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and here you can see the Pioneer receiver. That's a Pioneer that you have seen before, and this thing is a pretty old one, but with a lot of features. Here you can see it is HD, Dolby True HD, HDMI, and all the stuff. But as this thing is kind of old generation receiver, so this thing doesn't have any Bluetooth, but this thing has USB port right there. You can see 5 volt 1 amp, and you can play song using this USB port by connecting a memory card or a pen drive like that. So today I'm going to install Bluetooth in this receiver. Hopefully you have seen the video of installing Bluetooth in the Yamaha receiver. If you didn't see that, then you can find the link in the I button. So go there and check that out. In that thing, I have connected the audio output to this RCA sockets right there from inside. But as this thing has USB right there, you can see that's a USB kit, and that's the back side of it. So I'm gonna get 5 volt for the Bluetooth, and also gonna get the audio output to the main circuit right there, as this wire is going right there, you can see. So first I'm gonna try connecting the Bluetooth right here, and here you can see the pin connections. 5 pins are there, and the top is the data ground, data plus, data minus, data ground, and USB 5 volt. So I'm going to connect the 5 volt supply and the 3 output wires right there, and going to see if it's going to work properly, the left channel and the right channel, and then the 5.1. So let's do that. If this thing doesn't work, then I have to do it like the old ways. Find a 5 volt from here, constant 5 volt from here, and gonna connect the audio output to this RCA socket right there, obviously from inside. So let's try the USB first. So that's a Bluetooth chip right there, and it's a pretty small one. Here you can see L out, ground R out, VCC and ground. So I'm going to connect simply these 5 wires to right there, 5 connections, and then I'm going to check if it works. Alright, so I have connected this Bluetooth kit right there, but this thing is not working because the receiver says no device found. I mean, if you connect a pen drive or something here, it can read that. I think there is a problem with that, with this kit or the reading device right there. So I gotta do the hard work. I gotta open all this kit and go inside to access that RCA socket. Alright, there you can see. So let's open this thing again, and let's do that. Alright, so here you can see I can get 5 volt from here as the 5 volt line. That's the ground. That's the VCC CPU set plus 12 volt. So I can get 5 volt from here, and that's the ground. And just to access this RCA, I need to open all of this. So yeah, I have to do that. Alright, so this is the main control board, the output board, output and input main board that I have told you, and that's the second RCA connection right there. And I have connected this shielded wire, red one on this one and the black one on this side. So these two are the left and right input connection, and the ground would be same in all the places. So I'm going to connect the ground in other place. So that's it. And now I'm going to fix this kit right there, and all the other kits. And then alright YouTube, so the work is done. Here you can see that's the power connection, 5 volt, and these two are the ground, and that's the Bluetooth chip right there. And here you can see the shielded wire, that's the left and right channel, and it's connected to this socket here, the second one, named as SAT CBL in. So it is set to SAT CBL right now, and here you can see 3.0 BT is already connected. So now let's check the songs. So that's it, it's working fine. I'm not gonna play loud or more songs here because those bookshelf speakers, they are like 4 ohms, and this thing needs minimum 6 ohms of impedance. So the work is done. So that's it. That's how you can connect a Bluetooth to your old 5.1 or 7.1 receiver. And that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.